today we're going to try and attempt the neatest, the most slicked, laid and slayed high puff on type 4 hair y'all ever seen on the history of YouTube. I just woke up, showered, brushed my teeth, got dressed. The only thing I haven't touched is my hair. Let me go get my mirror. Oh, hold up. My mirror's down here. Let me get my hair. Oh my god. You see it's smushed on this side? This is a mini twist out. And I've had it, I took it down like Saturday. I've been taking down twists since Saturday that I didn't even know about. So let's get into the process of getting my hair sleek, snatched, sleek, laid, slayed, like to the gods. If you're gonna try this, here are the things that you're going to need: a dimming brush, a pick, layer edges, a regular bristle brush, a stretchy tie because you're gonna need to like pull your hair like this, or if you use a headband that works too, a brush to lay your edges, some gels. This is a hard gel, this is a softer gel because you want your puff to be sleek when you pull it up, a spray bottle, a scarf to lay your edges. Start with spraying your hairline. If you don't spray your hairline, when you put the blend up, your edges are gonna rip and tear and it's not gonna be pretty. And spray your actual hair itself. Okay, the next step, once your hair is sprayed, it's moisturized, to get your gel. You're gonna get your soft gel, Aunt Jackie's. This probably will not focus. The Aunt Jackie's Curl and Coil Flaxseed, don't shrink flaxseed. I said flaxseed like twice. Flaxseed gel. Okay, get out of the focus. You're gonna get a little bit because you need to start small. Rubbing it between your hands. Put it on your hair, front, sides, the back. You're gonna get your bristle brush. Push your hair back like this. Up and brush up some parts, especially the back because the back needs to be the sleekest.
But the little bitty strap around the thing, the light that blinks.
You're gonna get your hard gel, and this is the Softy Super Freeze Clean and Clear Protein Styling Gel. You're gonna get it, rub it between your hands, do it just like you did the other gel. Get to the process of laying our edges. Yes, before I put my hair up into the puff, I lay my edges first. Edge Tamer Extreme Hold, only like 10 bucks. I know that's a lot. I'm gonna look down at the hair again because this is so hard to do. I get a little bit, I put it on my hairline like this. I do better laying this side of my hair than this side of my hair, so if it's looking a little rough, I had to do better with my right because I'm dominant with my right hand. So, once I get the brush, swoop, swoop, hold up, swoop. Okay, my camera cut off. I'm trying to do this side. You know what? I'm gonna just fast forward this because this is impossible. Go back into the edge gel. You're gonna dip it in there. Slick this side. I'm gonna slick this side. I'm gonna do that off camera. I give up. Mainly because I'm bored. Okay. Let me get this. Lappity wrap. I'm gonna just roll it like this for like 10 minutes and I'll be back. Let's see how this is. I'm scared. See, they're ugly. I give up on life. Anywho, let's finish. Now you're going to need your hair tie. Gonna get it, stretch it, pull it back on the back of your hair. Make sure all your hair is pulled in the back because if it's not pulled in the back and you pull your hair up, it's gonna be painful. Tie it under, pull over, and pull it right here. Once you pull it right here, push it up on the sides and get the front. You're gonna tie it again and pull it up, tuck it on each side so it can stay hidden. Like, oh, it slipped. Make sure everything's hidden. I'm gonna go and relay my edges. I'll be right back. Now, once it's up, here's what I do. I get these little side pieces like this. I get my spray bottle and I spray it. I get the gel that I used. I get a little bit on my finger and finger coil it. Bam, that's done. Then I get my pick. I pick my hair out. Make sure everything is nice and big, even though my hair is really small. We're still gonna try here. Okay, about to get some hoops. Got one more thing. Get our lip gloss. There. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe down below. The subscribe button's over here, I'm not sure where, but wherever it is, click the subscribe button. Make sure you cut on the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I post a video. I post on Wednesdays and Saturdays. I have more videos linked down in the description box or up on the screen, whichever works for you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.